This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. 3 exterior zippered pockets for organization. 2 exterior water bottle pockets. Top reviews from the United States. Super cute. I got it for my daughter who's in first grade, she loves it. It is a bit big for her so she can use it for another year or 2. Definitely an elementary school kind of backpack, not super big so you can't carry too many books. There is a laptop sleeve which she doesn't use. She usually carries her agenda, a 1-inch binder and her folder which there is plenty of room left over. There's space for her to put her snacks, her water bottle, and there's a small pencil zipper pocket which she keeps her mask for school in. Overall great buy and worth the money.